So hello everyone, welcome back once again. So in this video we'll be discussing about finding first element in the array using binary search. So basically, let's say we have an array consisting of elements like 1, 2, 4, 4, 4, 5 and 6. So here first occurrence, if I need to find for 4, then it will be at, this is 0th 1 second, so it will be at second index. Similarly, if we want to find for other element, let me take one more example like 1, 5, 7, 7, 7 and 9. So here there can be two cases, that if I got an element, then so I need to check it is present before or not. For example, let's say I am searching for 7, then I need to make sure that there must be no 7 present in the prefix, that is left hand side. So for here, for example, x will be 7, that is our target element to search, then the answer will be 2, that is second index, because 7 is present first time at second index. So there can be two approaches, like first we can use a linear search. For example, we are having a vector here, and it consists of element 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, and we can use a loop that is linear, which will go from for int I equal to 0 till I is less than this whole element size and I plus plus, and as soon as if I found this element as on the ith position, for example, if let's say it was told to find 4, so I will check in this. If I found the element, if this is any of I, if this element is equal to this x that is required, then what we will do, we will just see out I which is present at the index, and we will just break. So it will just, in the worst case it will be present at here, or I can say here, then it will take time complexity of big O of n, and as we are not using any extra space, so it will take space complexity of big O of 1. Now as the array is sorted, we can use binary search for sure. So what we will do, so what I am doing here is, currently I am taking an array A. Let us define array, which is an array which will take elements, let's say 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 6. So here I am making an array of elements and initially declaring result at -1, which will store index. Now I'll traversing or iterating a loop from 0 till n and taking the input. This is this array. Now I'll take 2 pointer, which will, one will pointing to the start, that is 0th, this is start, and end is n minus 1, that is size -1. So this will be end and this will be start. Now I will run a loop till start is less than equal to end. It means if suppose start is here and end is here, so it is fine, or else start is also pointing to this element, end is also pointing to this element. It means we found our element. So this is also correct. So first we will make a mid, that is start plus and minus start by 2. So we will do start, that is 0, plus end, that is, let's say in this case it is 0 1 2 3 4 5. So index 5 minus 0 divided by 2. So it will come to out to be 2 point something. We'll take floor, this is 0th, this is 1, this is 2. We got our required target, that is x, that is 2. Now what we need to find is this element present at before or not. So we got mid here. So what we will do, we'll just store the index in the result if we found that element, and we will do end equal to mid minus 1. So now our end will point here, okay, and as this was mid, so it will come here. Now after this we'll, and if this case is not satisfied, let's say our target is less than the required array of mid, then we'll do end mid equal to mid minus 1, because in a sorted array, as our target is less than mid, it means this whole right part is of no use and our answer will be present in left part, and else we'll do mid start equal to mid plus 1. So after this, at last we'll get our result, that is our required answer. To get more clarification, let's say 1 2 2 2 4 and 5. So what we will do first, let's say our mid is pointing here, this 2, or for more clearance of doubt, let me take it as pointing to this 2, okay, our initial mid. So what we will do according to this, if we found our element, we are doing end equal to mid minus 1. So end, initially end was here, now it will point to here. Now again it will check, again we found our element, again end equal to mid minus 1, again it will come here, again it will check, so it will become false. So at last we will find that I equal to 1, and this is the required. So at last we will get the index of the result, which is the first occurrence of the element in a sorted array. So if you like my content, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.